Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix an LG TV remote that's not scrolling or navigating properly.
Fix 1. Pair the magic remote. Step 1. Turn on your LG TV. Step 2. Press and hold back plus home for 5 seconds. Step 3. Point the remote at TV and press OK slash scroll wheel to pair. Fix 2. Replace remote batteries. Step 1. Remove old batteries. Step 2. Insert new AA slash AAA batteries correctly. Step 3. Restart the TV and test scrolling. Fix 3. Clean the scroll wheel and buttons. Step 1. Power OFF the TV. Step 2. Gently clean the scroll wheel and buttons with a dry cloth. Step 3. Remove dust around buttons and try again. Fix 4. Restart LG TV. Step 1. Unplug the TV from power. Step 2. Wait 60 seconds. Step 3. Plug back in and test the remote.